In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Flow. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to start creating using only a few quick clicks. Let's begin right from your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Flow. You'll see a set of results, but the one you want is Google's Flow page. Look for the result that points to Google's Labs site. This ensures you're going to the official destination and not a lookalike. Click that result to open the Flow information page. On the Flow page, you'll find a clear button labeled Create with Flow. This is your gateway into the app experience. Go ahead and click it. If you're already signed into your Google account in this browser, the process will typically move forward automatically. If not, you'll be redirected to Google's secure sign-in screen. Here, you'll see the account chooser. Select the Google account you want to use with Flow. If you keep multiple accounts, pick the one that has the access you prefer for your projects. If prompted, complete your usual sign-in, then continue. Remember, you never need to enter any personal details on third-party pages for this. It all happens on Google's official sign-in screen. Once you've selected your account, you'll be brought back to the Flow page. If the Create with Flow button is visible again, click it one more time. This final click confirms your session and opens Flow with your account tied in. In some cases, if you were already logged into your Google account when you started, you may be taken directly into Flow without seeing any extra prompts. That's normal and simply means your session is recognized. A few quick tips as you finish up. If the page seems stuck after you choose your account, refresh the page and click Create with Flow again. If you accidentally pick the wrong account, look for the profile switcher and choose the correct one, or sign out and repeat the process. And always double check the web address to confirm you're still on a Google domain before proceeding. That's it. You're now logged into Google Flow. From here, you can start exploring features, creating, and managing your work with your Google account already connected. If you found this helpful, follow along for more clear step-by-step guides just like this.